All right, well, we've got our 1 ounce of freshly pressed wheatgrass and about a ½ ounce of fresh apple juice that I just juiced to mix it with. So kind of sweetens the pot a little bit. We just call it apple grass. Woo! Nothing like liquid sunshine. Well, I'd like to thank you for joining me on this short little video on wheatgrass. If you're interested in starting your journey with wheatgrass to better health, please check out the links below. And as always, it's been Scott with BWSR Bushcraft. Pack light, pack tight, stay hydrated.